Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the details of the all-new 2024 BMW i5, an exciting addition to BMW's electric lineup. The i5 is a fully electric version of the popular 5 Series, combining luxury, performance, and cutting-edge technology to redefine the executive sedan segment. If you're a fan of BMW or looking for a premium electric vehicle, this car has a lot to offer. The 2024 BMW i5 comes in two main variants, the i5 eDrive 40 and the i5 M60 xDrive. The eDrive 40 is a rear-wheel drive model powered by a single electric motor, delivering 335 horsepower and 295 pound-feet of torque. It can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 5.7 seconds, which is quite impressive for a luxury sedan. On the other hand, the i5 M60 xDrive is the high-performance version with dual electric motors, producing a massive 590 horsepower and 586 pound-feet of torque. This variant comes with BM's xDrive all-wheel drive system, allowing it to go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.7 seconds. Both versions of the i5 use an 81.2 kWh battery pack, providing an estimated range of around 295 miles for the eDrive 40 and 256 miles for the M60 xDrive, depending on driving conditions and efficiency. BMW has equipped the i5 with fast charging capabilities, allowing it to charge from 10% to 80% in just about 30 minutes using a DC fast charger. With Level 2 home charging, a full charge takes approximately 8 to 10 hours. One of the standout features of the i5 is its advanced technology and luxurious interior. The car comes with BM's latest iDrive 8.5 infotainment system, displayed on a large 14.9-inch touchscreen, seamlessly integrated with a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster. The system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with voice commands and gesture controls. The curved display and premium materials give the cabin a futuristic yet elegant feel. BMW has also focused on comfort and convenience. The seats are wrapped in high-quality materials, offering multiple adjustment options with heating, ventilation, and massage functions available. The panoramic sunroof adds an airy and spacious feel to the cabin. Additionally, ambient lighting and customizable settings allow drivers to personalize their experience. When it comes to safety and driver assistance, the BMW i5 is packed with features. Standard equipment includes adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. The car also offers hands-free highway driving assistance, making long journeys more relaxing. Parking sensors, a 360-degree camera system, and an advanced parking assistant help make maneuvering easy in tight spaces. The exterior design of the i5 follows BMW's modern styling language, featuring a bold front grille, sleek LED headlights, and aerodynamic body lines. Unlike some electric cars that go for a radical design change, BMW has kept the i5 looking sophisticated and familiar, making it an attractive choice for traditional luxury car buyers transitioning to electric vehicles. The M60 version has sportier styling elements, including a more aggressive front bumper, blacked-out trim, and unique wheels that emphasize its high-performance nature. In terms of driving dynamics, the i5 maintains BMW's reputation for delivering a sporty yet comfortable ride. The eDrive 40 provides a smooth and refined experience, while the M60 xDrive enhances performance with an adaptive suspension system that adjusts based on road conditions. Steering feedback is precise, and the low center of gravity, thanks to the battery placement, enhances stability and handling. Another great aspect of the i5 is BMW's commitment to sustainability. The car is built using recycled materials, and the brand is working toward reducing its carbon footprint by incorporating more eco-friendly production processes. The i5's battery technology is designed to be efficient and long-lasting, ensuring durability over time. When it comes to pricing, the BMW i5 eDrive 40 starts at around $67,000, while the more powerful M60 xDrive is priced at approximately $85,000. While these prices may seem high, they align with the premium features and advanced technology that BMW offers. Plus, depending on your location, you may be eligible for tax incentives and rebates that can help offset the cost. Overall, the 2024 BMW i5 is a fantastic option for those looking for a luxury electric sedan with performance, technology, and comfort. It competes with models like the Tesla Model S, Mercedes-Benz EQE, and Audi e-tron GT, but it offers a unique blend of BMW's signature driving experience and electric efficiency. Whether you prioritize range, acceleration, or interior luxury, the i5 has something to offer. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Let me know in the comments what you think about the BMW i5. Would you consider buying one, or do you have your eye on another EV? I'll see you in the next video.